Ableton's amp is one of those devices you might overlook until you realize what it can actually do. It was built in collaboration with Softube to capture the sound and unpredictability of classic guitar amps. But it goes way beyond guitars. You get 7 amp models, each with its own vibe. Clean gives you bright, glassy tones. Boost adds grit. Blues and rock give you that crunchy analog push. Lead and heavy are built for high-gain chaos. And bass is thick and fuzzy with real low-end weight. The best part is that all of these models share the same interface, so you can swap between tones without learning a new layout every time. The controls are what you'd expect on a real amp. Gain pushes the distortion, volume sets your output, then you've got bass, middle, and treble, along with a presence knob for high-mid clarity. Dry-wet lets you blend things in or go all in on the amp tone. Here's the wild part. Because it's modeled after real analog gear, small changes matter. Cranking up the treble might slightly pull down your lows and mids, so think of it like balancing electricity across a real circuit. And it's not just for guitars. Try amp on drums for punchy grit. Use it on synths to give digital sounds some analog bite. Even pads and vocals can benefit from a little edge or warmth. For a more authentic setup, pair amp with Ableton's cabinet device, but don't be afraid to use it raw. No cabinet, just chaos. If you want access to our Ableton tools and resources, including guides and creative tips for amp and other devices, comment Ableton below and we'll DM you the link.